Hi, I'm Jeff Sandor, and I'm going to show you how adding ProCore Plus Herringbone planks is a great way to elevate the look of your home. Before you begin, pause here to review the tools needed for the job. Be sure to follow all requirements detailed within the instructions for preparing the subfloor, and keep the ambient temperature between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove any wall base or use a quarter-round molding to cover the required expansion gap. Undercut all door jambs, allowing for a 1/64 of an inch more than the thickness of the flooring. Determine your installation direction, then measure and calculate to find the center of the room. Mark the substrate 2 inches to the right of center on both ends of the room, and snap a chalk line between the marks for your starting line. Open several boxes and mix planks at random for a consistent appearance. Starting a couple of inches away from the end wall, place your first plank on the substrate at a 45-degree angle left of the starting line. Insert the second plank at an angle of about 25 degrees into the top of the first piece to produce an L shape. Ensure proper engagement and alignment, then lay flat. Note, make sure that on the long sides, the extended locking mechanism is located on the outside of both sides of the arrowhead. All planks will need to follow that pattern. Continue this process until you can no longer add full planks to these rows. Adjust the flooring to ensure a balanced look on both ends. Ensure both center arrow points are on your starting line and check for straightness. Now measure, mark, cut, and install both the ends of these rows, making sure to leave the appropriate expansion gap filled with a wedge spacer. To cut, carefully score the surface a few times with a sharp utility knife along the side of a speed square and snap the flooring downwards, or use a jigsaw with a carbide blade. Stack the remaining flooring on top of the installed rows. Continue with the installation one row at a time, working up the room and then down. This is performed by installing the end first at an angle of about 25 degrees. Then lifting the opposite side to an angle of about 25 degrees and pulling the side joint together prior to lowering. I also recommend installing the perimeter cuts as you go. To close any gaps, never hit the finished flooring directly. Always use an engaged scrap piece with a pull bar and tap with a dead blow hammer. There is no need for a scrap piece around the perimeter cuts. At all doorways, make sure your cut edges are covered by the door jamb while maintaining that expansion gap. And there you have it, a beautiful new floor that's sure to enhance the look of your home. ProCore Plus, now in a convenient herringbone layout, available exclusively at Lowe's.